ladies and gentlemen, His Royal Highness King Mark J. Lazaro I and Her Majesty Queen Princess Jochelle de la Cruz I. May we witness an intermission number by the grade 2 pupils. Let us give them a round of applause, please.